Hey, middle school BLT. Wanted to have some quick conversation about what we're going to talk about tomorrow. And this is in an order, but where you might have to skip around a little bit. So I'm going to go through our agenda really quickly so you can have some thought before you arrive. We'll go through just a little update about some things of where we are and some planning that we have. We're going to talk a little bit about the handbook. Those are some big pieces that need to be out before the end of the year, and we might just talk through them tomorrow, but and get some thoughts from around the world at Minnewaska. And then we are going to talk a little bit about what our goals are for next year. And if you look at our goals and you look at what workshop week planning, they are very similar. And so if I was to say there's one big thing that we are going to try to do really well, it's PLCs. And then I also think just the mindset work as well. So anyway, you can see that as both goals and our workshop week planning. And tomorrow we're also going to talk about where our staffing changes and schedules and class options, and then what summer planning might look like. So as we go forward, you can have some thoughts tonight about where we're headed, and then we're gonna meet at 7:30 tomorrow, and we will meet in Caleb's room. We have until 8, and then at 8 I need to head out to another meeting for a little bit. We are meeting again on Friday the 28th, I think, the first day without students. And we'll talk about where we're at. So and pick up things that we are on here that we didn't get to, and then anything else that we need to do. So I hope you have a great night, and we will connect soon. Thanks. See you later.